A 2000 rupees challenge, Hill Road versus West Side. I completed it. Hi, my name is Aditi Bhatkar and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the birthday series. Okay, let's start with Hill Road. अगर आपको Hill Road का collection जानना है, you can go check out this video. Start to end कहाँ क्या अच्छा मिल रहा है, क्या pricing में मिल रहा है, everything is mentioned in that video. So please go check that out. This t-shirt is the first thing that I bought. It's actually a short, a cropped shirt. It's very comfortable. It looks great fit. ये कुछ तो 300 rupees का था, उन्होंने बिल्कुल bargain नहीं किया. But I think 300 is decent. Also remember to bargain at Hill Road. ये कभी कभी बहुत high level price बोल देते, which doesn't make sense at all. So you should actually have a little bit of bargaining skills जो मेरे पास नहीं है. But you guys acquire one. I'm gonna write the pricing because मुझे math करना है at the end if 2000 हुआ या नहीं देखने के लिए. The next one is this pink top. It's very soft, it's very cute, it looks great. Also, it's written divided. So apparently ये H&M का surplus collection होगा, I don't know. But it was for 250 rupees. मैंने बहुत try किया 200 करने में given the material. But उन्होंने नहीं सुना, so it's okay. Third one is this. It says too spicy for you, which is not true, but I really like the mirchi on it. It's so cute. I don't know how, but apparently Hill Road पे बहुत ज़्यादा graphic tee and crop tops का collection है, so you might wanna go and check it out. This was for 350 rupees. I know, right? पर मैंने 50 रुपए कम करा है. This came for 300 rupees. Now the last piece of clothing is this jacket. Now I know you all will be like jacket क्यों खरीदा, गर्मी है, ठंडी खत्म हो गई, मुंबई में ठंडी नहीं होती. Fair point. But इतना गर्म है भी नहीं honestly, and मुझे ठंडी लगती है. Cover up kind of a jacket. It's very soft and cute. This was for 400 I guess. I'm not sure. But yeah, this was for 400 and it's a cute cropped jacket. Okay, the clothing part is over. Now let's move on to the jewelry part. And this is what I got. This is the waist chain. It's so pretty. This is my favorite find at Hill Road this time. It was for 250 rupees. There's a store, they have variety of belts. मतलब बहुत सारे belts available है वहाँ पे. तो please do check them out. And थोड़ा बहुत bargaining कर देते हैं. उन्होंने पहले मुझे 300 बोला था. फिर मैंने बोला नहीं please कम कर दो, मैं last time भी आई थी. तो उन्होंने 200 कर दिया. Next is this one. This is very cute, very pretty. I did not have ऐसा कुछ भी, तो मुझे एक चाहिए था. Now it's in my collection. This was also 250 rupees. Jewelry actually for a change वहाँ पे ज़्यादा expensive मिलती है. I don't know क्यों. But you need to bargain in the jewelry section. Rings, earrings are available and how like जो Pinterest पे मिलता है वहाँ पे आपको definitely मिलेगा. So that now makes my total to 1700. Which is 300 less than 2000, जो मुझे अब realize हो रहा है. But it's okay, it's not that bad. So here's everything I got for 1700 rupees at Hill Road. Now let's go to West Side. West Side में obviously मुझे सिर्फ 3 चीज़ें मिली in 2000 rupees. First one is this green color crop top. Very pretty, very cute, and I love how this looks on me. This was for 1000 rupees. या हो गया, आधा बजट मेरा इधर ही खत्म हो गया था. बट वेस्टर का भी कलेक्शन बहुत सुंदर है. यू कैन गो चेक इट आउट. सेकेंड टॉप इज वेरी क्यूट. इट्स अ टी शर्ट. आई लव द डॉग. दिस वॉज फॉर 500 rupees, which I feel is nice. It's like an oversized cute t-shirt to wear with shorts and all. The last one is this camisole top. Very pretty, very cute. This was available in yellow also, but मुझे blue ज़्यादा cute लगा तो मैंने blue ले लिया. And this was for 600 rupees. Wait, which is 599 by the way. So that makes my total to 2100 rupees. Now according to the math, मैंने 1700 spend किए on Hill Road, which is 300 rupees less. And then 2100 rupees spent kiye at West Side, which is 100 rupees more. So clearly I have failed at this challenge. But this was the collection that I've got from West Side and Hill Road. Please go check out Hill Road. Please go check out West Side. Let me know what you think of this video. If you liked it, please comment and tell me. I would love to hear your opinions. I hope you guys are enjoying the birthday series. Please follow along for the birthday series. I'll see you soon. Until then, love and luck.